Hi, Paulo, and in this video, I'll talk about Builderall's newest feature, which is the Builderall Canvas. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and tick the bell so you'll be notified when I put up a new video and show you new stuff like this one, the Builderall Canvas. So the Builderall Canvas is a feature of Builderall which is to be used for mapping funnels. Now, what did I mean by that? And also, before anything else, as of today, Builderall Canvas is not up yet on the Builderall dashboard. It will be up anytime August of this year, so 2019. Okay, and it's something that you will find here on the left side, which is where all the features of Builderall is. Now, what did I mean about mapping sales funnels? A good reference would be Funnelytics. Okay, Funnelytics, what it does is it's for mapping funnels, okay, sales funnels, so you're able to plan how your sales funnels would work. So let's go here. So with it will work the same way as Funnelytics. Okay, the good thing is Builderall, it's an all-in-one digital marketing platform. So instead of using other websites or platforms, you can just do it within Builderall. So it will be able to do this. So let's say, for example, you have an opt-in page. Okay, this is where somebody signs up, and then of course you have your sales page. After the sales page, you have your checkout page, which I'm not sure if this has it. Okay, so from the sales page, we can just go to probably the order page. So opt-in page, this is, let's go for the example of Facebook as a traffic source. You see those sponsored ads on Facebook, wherein if you're interested with the product or the ad, you have to enter your email. That's the opt-in page. And once you enter your email, it brings you to the sales page where it talks about the product. Now, the sales page, if you're interested, if you make a purchase, you'll be brought to the order page or the checkout page. Okay? So this is where you confirm your payment, and then once you've made a purchase, it will bring you to the thank you page, which tells you what to do next after purchasing the product. So this is how you map a sales funnel. Alright, so the Builderall Canvas is the latest feature of Builderall, which will be out around mid of 2019. So what can it do? It's this, and there will be definitely more. Alright, so this is just to give you an idea on what's coming up with Builderall this year. Okay, because Builderall is, what they're trying to do is they're doing everything they can to be an all-in-one digital marketing platform. Okay, because it's not easy. I mean, for entrepreneurs or digital marketers, it's not easy to have multiple tools and spend a lot. spend a certain amount on each tool, and the each tool isn't cheap at all. But with Builderall, with the Builderall business plan, which I use, it's only $49.90 a month, and you get all these features. Just imagine you can have websites and sales funnels, unlimited, even have domains on it. You also have an autoresponder. Okay, you also have a with the autoresponder with the mailing boss. You can have unlimited subscribers. You can send unlimited emails at no extra charge. Okay, it even has a chat bot. Check this out. See, it has a Facebook chat bot. Yeah, you also have an auto poster. Okay, you can even make an online course and sell it. Okay, so it has plenty of features. By the way, for the features, I've made a video on this. It will be on the playlist, which I'll just link at the very end of this video. Okay, so again, Builderall Canvas, it will be up mid of 2019, and its purpose is so you won't have to use any other platforms or websites just to map your funnels. You can plan everything and you just use everything that Builderall has. Okay, so that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, let me know. Just comment below or message me rather on the Facebook page, and I'll either answer it or make a video out of it just to show you how it works. Okay, and I also have bonuses on the description. I have an email marketing masterclass for more than an hour, a high converting sales funnel, and high open rate headlines, which you can use for your sales funnels and landing pages, and for the subject lines of your emails. Feel free to use all those at your convenience. Again, all the links to those are on the description of this video. Okay, so I'll see you all on the next video. That's about it. Just like that, this one's over. See you guys. Let's go.